think you guys would all just leave. It's great to have two partners on board that redefine things. So we have Etihad on board that's redefining luxury travel across the world. And we have Manish who has redefined the fashion industry from time to time. This season, one of the most exciting things that we're doing at the Lakme Fashion Week is that this will be the first show in the country and the first designer in the country that will actually be shooting this show in virtual reality. Our intent here is to now show how technology and fashion can work together, and I think Manish is the perfect partner for that. Viewers will get an experience like never before through a 360-degree view into not just what happens at the show, but what happens backstage. It's something that, once it comes out.
तो पहले तो मैंने सोचा था कि इस बार मैं फ़ैशन वीक नहीं कर पाऊँगा बिकॉज बहुत से चीज़ें हैं करने के लिए बट IMG रिलायंस एंड जसप्रीत जिनका ये पहला लैक्मे फ़ैशन वीक है इन्होंने मुझे इमोशनली कहा कि ये करना पड़ेगा योर फैमिली विद लैक्मे फ़ैशन वीक एंड ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि आप फ़ैशन वीक नहीं करेंगे एंड देन ही सेड कि एतिहाद एयरवेज इज़ इन्वॉल्वड एंड दे वांट टू डू देयर फर्स्ट वर्चुअल रियलिटी शो एंड दैट हैज़ टू बी विथ यू एंड तो एक इमोशन और एक वो एक्साइटमेंट में आई एम बैक हियर एट फैशन वीक सो वी आर पुटिंग अप दिस कलेक्शन अभी तक बहुत कम काम हुआ है एंड इन माई माइंड it's a celebration time, it's winter festive, it's all about, as you can see the colors and there are trails, there's fabric, there's a lot of glamour. For me this is for any wedding, it's for red carpet, it's for the festive season. So we're all here celebrating Indian craft. There's a lot of thread work in this collection, a lot of embroideries, muted colors and there's a little pop somewhere for fun. So it's a very interesting show. We have a great venue this time. It's going to be at the courtyard here at the ITC Parade. It's a beautiful courtyard. And when Jaspreet suggested it, I said, let's do it here. And we came here and saw it. We were very excited because we want to give the world the virtual reality experience of India and the royalty, the regalness, the flamboyance, the opulence, the glamour. And so that's what it is. That's what the show is going to be.
How easy or difficult is it to work with the debutants?
So when I met these girls today, I have to tell you. So I met them and I said, how old are you? And first of all, you look a lot alike. So they said, we are twins. So I said, oh, you're twins. And I said, how old are you all? So they said, we are 17. In fact, last year at Gentlemen's Club, my show at Gentlemen's Club at Fashion Week, Laksh auditioned and so did Harshvardhan. We launched these two male models there were really young, and this time we're launching these two girls. And I think it's fashion is getting younger. Models today are coming in much more younger than they did come earlier, and I think it's a really good sign. And we've got to, as an organization, as IMG Reliance, as a responsible designer, support that. And so when they saw the trails, these girls were like, "How will we walk?" We said, "No, we're all of the same business. We understand. Just gir mat jana, baki sab theek hai." And so I think it's, and that's what Fashion Week, fashion, today there's so many bloggers who do such interesting blogs on fashion, the excitement, there's young designers. In fact, Lakme Fashion Week has Generation Next, and I think that's one show that I so look forward to. So I think Fashion Week is all about promoting talent and promoting young talent, and for people like us who are not that young, getting younger.
Always
Thank you so much. Thank you. And here we're all not only just promoting, we are supporting each other. Etihad Airways and Lakme Fashion Week, IMG Reliance, me, and yeah, so we're all together. Thank you.